Welcome to Arena Multimedia. I'm your academic head, or today is our orientation class of ADMS Prime Web Designing. Please take out your notepad and pen pencil. If you have any confusion, please note down. We will discuss at the end of the presentation. Today we will discuss everything about our second semester, that is web designing. In web designing we have 4 modules, and I will describe you all 4 step by step. Module 1, Building Next Generation Website, HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, इसमें total 27 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 2, Web Page Design, Dreamweaver JavaScript, इसमें total 15 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 3, UI और UX for Responsive Design, Adobe XD, इसमें total 14 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 4, Web Animation Using Animate, इसमें total 16 sessions आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे.
After complete first and second modules, building next generation website and web page design, we will assign you first project. Static website, session 5 of module 2 will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called internal practical 1, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको assist भी करेंगे for project choosing and submission. Submission last day of module 2 completion day.
After complete third module, UI or UX for Responsive Design, Adobe XD, we will assign you second project, UI or UX Design Portfolio. Session 10 of Adobe After Effects will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called Internal Practical 2, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको assist भी करेंगे for project choosing and submission. Submission last day of module 4 completion day. आपका प्रोजेक्ट बनाना और टाइमली सबमिट करना मैंडेटरी है. इसके मार्क्स आपके फाइनल मार्कशीट में काउंट होंगे. I hope everyone understand about the 4 modules. Please ask if any query. Now I'm sharing the list of modules to be covered in the examination along with their weightages. Modular Examination 1, Building Next Generation Websites. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 2, Web Page Design. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 3, UI and UX for Responsive Web Design. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 4, Bootstrap. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective.
I hope everyone understand about the 4 module. Please ask if any query. Now I am sharing details about the mark sheet. This mark sheet is divided in 4 parts. Modular exams, 25% weightage. Final exam, 25% weightage. Practical, 25% weightage. A project, 25% weightage. The student will be awarded grade on the overall weightage final marks. Grades, greater than 40% but less than 60%, pass, greater than 60% but less than 75%, credit, greater than 75%, distinction. Note, स्टूडेंट्स को ये ग्रेड्स अचीव करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 40% हर डिवीजन में हासिल करना लाजमी है.
Thank you for joining Arena Multimedia.